Hey guys, this is Rom Liquor again for some product reviews. So this is the BRIO water dispenser or water jug stand. It comes in black and white, but I choose the white colored one because it matches the countertops of our island. So it should be easy to open up with the use of a scissor, and after that it should be really easy to assemble. We actually used to have one, but a different version. The old one that we have, it doesn't need assembling because it's already made as is. But this one's is more sturdy for heavy duty use. I think it's gonna be really useful for most households, because this type of water jug or holder can hold the bigger gallons, and should save you money, instead of buying the bottled ones, which cost you more. But the main reason why we got this stand, or why I got this stand, because it's gonna take a while for the fridge that we ordered to come, or to be delivered. But that seems to be an issue for most of the bigger items. Even our couch is it's gonna take a while, and the washer dryer, it takes like a couple weeks before it could be delivered. So as you guys can see, it's the assembly is very easy. It's just an easy snap on. Here you go. But if you're gonna get the other one, one is already made as is, so you don't need no assembling to do. But this one is more sturdy, that's why I got this one. So yeah, it's pretty easy too. So either one, whatever makes you happy, then just get it. All right, so now assembly is all done. Let me just get the water jug to see if it'll fit or how it does. All right, here you go, guys. So you can actually use either 3 gallons or 5 gallons water jug or water gallons. And by the way, so before each time you are to start a new bottle, make sure you clean it up a little bit. Make sure you get those dust off. This BRIO water jug stand, it actually comes with a water spout that you could connect to the water jug. It comes in two, so whichever ones you need, they have it. One of them is 48 millimeter, which goes to the one with the screw on, and the 55 millimeter is the one that goes to this type of water bottle or water gallons. So whenever you get it, even though it's brand new, you always have to wash it because you don't know how the other people handle it before it made to your hand. Alright, if you guys are wondering or wanted to get one for your household, this one costs $25 at Amazon.com. I do not advertise them, but this is where I got them. So if you want to get one, just search it up. Alright, so it's just very easy snap on. You just snap it on and then turn a little bit. So I screw it to tighten it, so that way the water won't leak. And there you go, you're almost ready. Alright, check if it's leaking. Here you go. Alright, so no leak. Now it's time to test the water flow. First, get a little water and dispose it. It's just to rinse up the spout before you take the water to drink. We are almost done. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Alright, time to test the water now. Here you go. Just checking if there's something in it first. Alright, tastes like a good job.